In order to achieve a better world, you start at your own possibilities.
Heat pumps can be a key lever in decarbonizing process heat in industry. Using heat pumps for industrial process heat in the EU can cut CO2 emissions equal to 22% of Germany's total emissions in 2021. The Gulpener Brewery in the Netherlands aims to be carbon neutral by 2030 and has recently electrified their process heating system with heat pumps.
The impact of becoming carbon neutral is important for our brand. Direct clients are really impressed by our goals and what we have achieved.
The local installer Servex developed a heat pump solution to replace Gulpener's gas boiler system, using compressors and other components for high-temperature heat pumps by Danfoss. This has cut 75% of Gulpener's total energy use.
Food and beverage have both cooling needs and heating needs. Typically, cooling demand is solved by refrigeration system. Instead of rejecting the waste heat from your refrigeration system into the ambient, you connect it to your heating system and then use it efficiently in your processes.
The waste heat we use for heating our brew house comes from our fermentation. Yeast heats up due to this process, and these tanks need to be cooled. Before this heat was wasted to the air.
By 2030, up to 53% of the world's energy input will be wasted as excess heat, making it the world's largest untapped energy source.
We actually achieved an improvement in the quality of the beer. This was, of course, one of the questions beforehand. Will this negatively impact our beer production? We are convinced now that we achieved an improvement.
The heat pumps not only saves energy, but also electrify Gulpener's heating system. This will further decarbonize the brewery over time, as the energy grid is expected to contain more renewable energy in the future. 78% of industry's energy use can be electrified with technology already available today.
Other companies have to visit Gulpener Brewery and see what's possible, because there's more possible than some people think.